Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In this video, we do integration by partial fraction of that integral in front of us. But before start solving it, I will give you a small summary on how to do integration by partial fraction. If I have an integral, whatever is in the denominator, I don't care for that explanation. If it is x plus 1 to the power of 2, and let's put x squared plus 2. Here I have x plus 2. Let's put x squared so I can cover all case scenarios. So because this x is to the power of 1, I would put a divided by x plus 1 plus, because of that power of 2, I put b divided by x plus 1 to the power of 2. So because of that 2, I have to write it another time. And here that x is to the power of 2, so I put cx plus d to the power of x squared plus 2. So whenever I have to the power of 2, I have to put whatever letter x plus another letter, the consecutive letter. And if it is to the power of 1, I will put x plus 1, but I put a, like let's see, but because of that 2, I have to write it another time. So this is to cover the explanation how to do integration by partial fraction. Now let's solve the problem. Let's erase this. Okay, now that integral or that fraction, let's start with the fraction, x squared plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 squared times x plus 2 is equal, we said a divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 1 square plus c divided by x plus 2. Because this is to the power of 1, so I have to put c for that problem. I'll do another integral, another video with to the power of 2. So you will have an example how to do it. Actually, I have one in my channel, but I will do another one. So now if I want to do the right-hand side to the common denominator, it will be equal x plus 1 to the power of 2 times x plus 2. And if I divide that denominator with this denominator, I will have a multiplied by x plus 1, x plus 2. Plus, if I divide this denominator by x plus 1 square, I would have b multiplied by x plus 2 plus c. If I divide that denominator by the denominator of c, I would have x plus 1 square. And here I would have x2 plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 square, x plus 2. Because I have the same denominator on the left-hand side and the right-hand side of my equality, I can get rid of the denominator. So now it becomes x squared plus x plus 1 equal, and let's do the multiplication of the parentheses, a multiplied by x squared plus 2x plus x plus 2, and I know this is 3x here, plus b x plus 2b plus c, this is x plus 1 square, c, it's like a plus b square, which is equal a square plus 2ab plus b square, and in that case my a is equal x, so x square plus 2x times 1 is 2x plus 1. Okay? And now let's multiply the c by the parentheses and the a by the parentheses. I would have x squared plus x plus 1 is equal ax squared plus 3ax, because those are 3, plus 2a plus bx plus 2b plus cx squared plus 2cx plus c. Now, let's factor out the stuff that are common. I have ax squared plus cx squared, so I can factor out x squared. I would have a plus c multiplied by x squared. Here, let's put the x squared plus x plus 1. And now let's take the one with x, which I have 3ax plus bx plus 2cx. So I can factor x here, and I would have 3a plus b plus 2c multiplied by x. And the one that does not have x, I have 2a plus 2b plus c. Plus 2a plus 2b plus c. Now, I have the coefficient of x squared here is a plus c, and the coefficient of x squared here is 1. So I would put equation number 1, a plus c is equal to 1. And for the equation number 2, the coefficient of x is equal to 1, and the coefficient of x is equal to this. So 3a plus b plus 2c is equal to 1. And the one that does not have x, I have equation number 3, 2a plus 2b plus c is equal to, the one that does not have x is 1. So from equation number 1, I can deduct that my a is equal 1 minus c. Now, I replace a by its value in equation number 2, so I would have 3, instead of writing a, I would write 1 minus c plus b plus 2c is equal to 1, and then let's do the multiplication here, become 3 minus 3c plus b plus 2c equal to 1. So I have plus 2c minus 3c is minus c, so I have b minus c equal 1, and the 3 goes to the other side here, it becomes minus 3, so it is minus 2. So my b is equal c minus 2. And let's encircle it, let's encircle my a. And now if I replace a and b in equation number 3, I would have 2, instead of a, I will write 1 minus c, plus 2, instead of b, I will write c minus 2, plus c equal to 1. So it becomes 2 minus 2c plus 2c minus 4 plus c equal to 1. So I have plus 2c minus 2c, it is equal to 0. Plus 2 minus 4 is minus 2 plus c equal to 1, so c is equal to 3. And because c is equal to 3 from equation number 1, a is equal 1 minus c, it's 1 minus 3. So a equal 1 minus c, which is equal, a is equal 1 minus 3 is equal minus 2. So my a is equal to minus 2. And b, from that equation here, b is equal 3 minus 2, because it is c minus 2, which is equal to 1. So my b is equal to 1. So if I want to rewrite my integral, I would have integral between 0 and 1 of x squared plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 squared times x plus 2 dx is equal, we said a divided by x plus 1, and we know a is equal to minus 2. So integral between 0 and 1 of minus 2 x plus 1 dx plus my b is equal to 1 divided by x plus 1 squared dx, and my c is equal to 3, we said, plus 3 plus the integral between 0 and 1 of 3 divided by x plus 2 dx. So it's easy now. Let's solve those integral. Here the minus 2 would go outside my integral, so it is equal minus 2 ln of x plus 1, because if I take let u equal x plus 1, so it become 1 divided by u, and 1 divided by u is ln of u, and u is equal x plus 1. Here for that integral, it is, I say u equal x plus 1, so I would have 1 divided by u squared, so it is equal integral of u minus 2, which is equal u minus 1 divided by minus 1. So it become minus 1 divided by u, but multiplied by minus 2, multiplied by 1. I'm doing this one, so it's okay. And the u, we said it's x plus 1. Let's put it right away. This is an easy integration. I'm sure you understand it. X plus 1 square. And this plus 3 ln of x plus 2. Let's erase these. Okay, and all that between 0 and 1. So at the beginning we replace x by 0, and then minus, we replace x by 1 at the beginning, and then we said minus and we replace x by 0. So the first term become minus 2 ln of, if we replace x by 1, it become 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2, minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 is, no, this is not a square here, because it was u minus 1, so I put it downstairs, it become u1, I put it in the denominator. So if I replace x by 1, it become 1 divided by 2 plus 3 ln of 3 and minus, open my parentheses. If I replace x by 0, I would have ln of 1. ln of 1 is equal to 0. 0 times minus 2 is 0. And minus, if I replace x by 0, it becomes minus 1 divided by 1, which is minus 1, plus 3 ln of 2. So now let's get rid of this parenthesis. It becomes minus 2 ln of 2 minus 1 half plus 3 ln of 3 minus 0. I'm not gonna write it. Minus times minus is plus 1 minus 3 ln of 2. So here I have minus 2 ln of 2 minus 3 ln of 2. It becomes minus 5 ln of 2. I have minus 1 half plus 1 is plus 1 half plus 3 ln of 3. And that's the final answer. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me tremendously. And if you push the like button, I would really appreciate it. Thank you for listening.